Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here with a package that just came in yesterday. They are some iggee seat covers for the TL. I read some conflicting statements online saying like base TL seat covers won't fit on like Type S seat covers because like the bolsters are different. But then also people saying like, oh, the seats are the same. So I guess I'm going to dispel any myths surrounding that just firsthand, seeing if these base TL seat covers will fit on a Acura TL Type S. So let's get started. I think I got like the charcoal and black color just to try and match the two-tone seats on the Type S. Pretty simple enough. I guess I'm going to do a little reading of the instruction guide and then I'll be back so you do a little test fit on the car. Here's a little before of the seats. This is the passenger side. I don't know if I'm going to install the headrest covers. Because I like the embossed little Type S logo. Driver's seat, yeah, back's kind of screwed up as well. Yeah, here are the seat covers. I don't know, do they kind of match? I guess it's more of like a brownish than the actual dark gray. Yeah, not too bad, I guess. So I'm going to set the camera down and get started on this install. Tell you right now, these aren't as comfortable as the ones that I bought for the Aristo, but you get what you pay for. These were like $139 USD, so around like 200-ish Canadian. But yeah, at least they'll look better than the ripped up, torn to shred seats that I had before. So the bottom seat covers went on pretty easily. I just need to I guess tighten it down a bit. But yeah, this is the moment of truth right here. The back seat covers. Hopefully they will fit. Check if there's anything in the back pocket, but
pretty good.
I'm gonna have to go back and redo these, but I'm just trying to put them on really quick. I got to meet my buddies for a little kick around. Yeah, this is what they look like. This I just kind of really did it super half-assed just to see if it'll fit, and it's not perfect by any means. There's a lot of space here, But hopefully once I tie it down with the hooks, it'll get it nice and secure. But yeah, doesn't look too bad. Let's see if I can put the driver seats in really quick, and then we'll be done-ish. So this is it for now. I'm going to take a little drive, come back, and then probably do a little bit more securely. Yeah. I didn't get a chance to really securely install it, so back the next day what I have to do is tie these little loops down at the bottom and then securely tie the loops for the back seat covers. So I'm gonna get started on that right now. There's these loops here. I'm gonna put it down and then secure it in place with these hooks. Oh shit. So it is finally done. I think, I don't know, they look pretty decent considering they're only like $200. But yeah, there's still a lot of like slack here that you can like push in, but I'm guessing that's because of the bolsters. Still, for a fraction of the clazzio seat covers, they're pretty decent. I mean, you get what you pay for, but yeah, they're not super comfortable to feel. They got like a plasticky feel to it, but yeah, not too bad. Better than sitting in super ripped seats.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully this little slack will just like sink in once it sits in the sun or something. But we'll see. See you guys next time.
Sash.